crucial factor in oncology production? In the world of pharmaceutical manufacturing, safety is not an option, it is a necessity. Introducing the ultimate solution for operator protection and hygiene, the High Containment Tablet Press from PTK, the innovative leader in pharma machinery. The secure process begins with material feeding. Our robust bin lifter ensures the stable handling and precise positioning of heavy containers. The critical moment of transfer is secured by advanced alpha and beta valve technology. This split butterfly valve mechanism guarantees the dock is perfectly sealed before the powder path opens, ensuring zero dust leakage during connection and disconnection. Once fed, compression occurs inside the fully isolated compression enclosure unit. This modular design ensures high-speed production without containment breach and allows for rapid turret changes and simplified maintenance. Tablets are discharged directly into our integrated deduster combined with metal detector. Dedusting and contaminant inspection happen simultaneously within this closed loop, ensuring the highest product quality. Post-production efficiency meets hygiene with our wash-in-place technology. Strategically placed high-pressure nozzles deliver cleaning from the alpha-beta valve port right through to the discharge chute, eliminating residue and preventing cross-contamination. The High Containment Tablet Press is a testament to our commitment to delivering state-of-the-art solutions that meet the highest global standards for safety, efficiency, and quality. Ready to revolutionize your tablet press operations? Discover how the PTK High Containment Tablet Press can elevate your production to the next level. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more insights into advanced pharmaceutical machinery. Visit our website at www.ptk4u.com or contact our sales team at salesptk4u.com for a personalized consultation.